Holy shit! That was fun. You should have seen those crowds scramble. Like a bunch of fucking babies!
You okay? What?
I'm okay.
All right, men. Back in formation. Moving out.
Mein Buch. Wo ist mein Buch? Nein, nein, nicht mein Buch.
Staying alert, cowboy?
Something to say, Welsh?
No, not really. I was just wondering what you're looking at. What's in the book?
I'll take a look.
Thanks. That crowd drew this?
Yeah.
All of them?
Yeah, not bad, huh?
They're amazing.
Before all this, I was into that sort of thing.
Really? You were an artist?
I don't know, I'd go so far as to say that, but yeah, you know, I painted a little. I was majoring in art history.
Never would have guessed it.
You learn something every day.
I guess so. Tell me, what do you see here?
Oh, he's angry.
Angry.
Look how dark his lines are. Any harder and his pencil would have broken right through the page. And this woman, she stands out. The way she's desperately trying to break free of the grip of that soldier. Or her face. I mean, you can just see a million things going through her mind, but not one of them has the slightest bit to do with concern for herself. No, all she cares about is getting to hold her child just one last time. All those blank faces just watching, waiting. Olson! It's a fucking ammo tent.
How'd you come up with all that?
It's not that hard. Yeah, go on, pick another one.
I like this one. What was that? You guys see anything?
Who the hell shot?
Sal?
Shit, was that Evans?
Sarge, I'm just seeing if I still got it. We've been out here so long, I thought I might have lost my touch.
I think his gun slipped, Sarge.
Sarge, they're gonna give away our position.
Corporal, you started this, now you get out there and finish it.
I don't know, Sarge. I say we let him fucking bleed.
Yeah, and that could take 5 hours for all we know. You want to send off a whole battalion of Krauts to come rushing in? Don't expect me to...
He must have been on that patrol. How can someone create such beauty in a world like this?
It's an escape. His way of dealing with all this. Just needs to prove to himself there's still beauty in this world.
Beauty? You call this beautiful?
Out of everything he could have drawn, why do you suppose he focused on this one thing above everything else? What do you think he wants you to see?
I think as they were lying there, at that exact moment in time, they both came to terms with the fact that pulling out the potato masher was the best decision they could have made. The logic of all this scares him.
Not bad, Brad. I gotta go fill up the jerry cans in the frozen river, which should be fun. All set! You blow yourself up?
No, Sergeant.
Then come on.
Well, fucking move it, let's go! Come on! Water! Go! Go! Down by the jeep! Infantry! Fire support, obviously! Two sides of us! We gotta get out of the open! Fine, who? They're coming, let's go! Let's fucking go! Go, 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 go! To burn, Pasco! Evans, help! Forward head! Ah! Fuck! Fucking stand! Fuck! I can't! Come on! Fuck! Fuck down! Fuck down! Fuck! Go, go, go! I need you to fall back to the barn with more. Oh shit! Oh shit! Medic! Where's more? Medic, where's more?
More's dead. We can't wait for that artillery anymore.
Evans! Cover Sergeant Pasco! Right there! Oh shit! Go, hurry, go, go! Sergeant Warren, you gotta call in that artillery strike right now! Ford, you heard the man. Call in those numbers. God bless, sir. Let's go!
Van Gogh once said, "A drawing is working oneself through an invisible iron wall that seems to stand between what one feels and what one can do. We need to tell ourselves about what we've seen in order to understand it. The beauty in every picture lies within the truths it can tell. And sometimes for the artist, it can be a way of concealing a million secrets.